Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to install GCam 9.6 on your Realme 9i.
Step 1. Tap the first link in the description to open the article.
Step 2. Scroll to the download section and download the GCam APK file.
Step 3. Follow the How to Install guide for step-by-step instructions. A video guide is also available.
That's it. Don't forget to visit the article for complete instruction in APK file. Lastly, here's some GCam versus stock camera app comparison.